Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're exploring Marigold by Beazer Homes, a stunning single-family community in southwest Las Vegas featuring 3 single-story floor plans. Here, you'll enjoy the perfect blend of suburban tranquility and urban convenience, just minutes from the I-15 freeway. And when it comes to location, Marigold truly delivers. You're only a few minutes away from some of the best spots in Las Vegas: the brand new Durango Resort, the new Costco, Uncommons, and the Bend, where you can find great dining and entertainment options. Need to furnish your new home? You'll love being close to Ashley Store and IKEA. And for a fun night out, South Point Hotel is just a quick drive away. Here's a quick look at the route from the Bellagio Fountains to Marigold by Beazer Homes. Easy access from the heart of the Strip. Now, let's explore the floor plans and find your dream home. Willow, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,755 square feet. The Willow plan is designed with entertaining in mind. Enjoy a bright breakfast area that flows right into the kitchen and great room. The spacious primary suite features a spa-inspired bath and a large walk-in closet, your perfect retreat after a long day. Highlights: a beautiful foyer that makes a lasting first impression. Open concept kitchen and great room for seamless entertaining. Primary bedroom separated for privacy and quiet comfort. Walk-in closet located right off the bathroom for convenience. Here are the available exterior designs and the standard floor plan for the Willow. Summit, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,011 square feet. The Summit plan combines style and functionality. It features a covered front porch, an extended foyer, and a secluded primary suite, all in a single-story design that feels spacious and inviting. Highlights: grand extended foyer that welcomes guests in style. Kitchen opens to the living area, perfect for family gatherings. Primary bedroom located at the back for natural light and privacy. 4th bedroom ideal for a home office or guest space. Here are the available exterior designs and the standard floor plan for the Summit. Everett, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,721 square feet. The Everett plan takes luxury to another level with a quasi-pop-top layout that adds extra living space upstairs. You'll also find a loft and full bathroom on the 2nd level, great for guests or entertainment. Highlights: open concept kitchen, perfect for gourmet cooking. Primary bedroom separated from secondary rooms for privacy. Laundry room conveniently close to the primary suite. Bright breakfast area next to the kitchen, perfect for morning coffee. And here are the available exterior designs and the standard floor plan for the Everett. Ready to explore your dream home at Marigold by Beazer Homes? Call or text Angelo at 725-287-5242 and let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new home tours and exclusive community updates. Remember, your dream home is only a call away.